How to turn off voice chat on Roblox, iPhone, Android, and PC. In this video, I'll show you how to disable it in just a few simple steps. This method works on iPhone, Android, and PC. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website and sign into your account. Next, go to your settings. On mobile, tap the three dots menu in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Settings. On a computer, click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. Now, open the Privacy and Content Restrictions section. Next, tap or click Communication. Here, you'll find the voice chat option. Simply turn the toggle off to disable voice chat on your Roblox account. If you also want extra privacy, go back and open Camera Input, then turn it off as well. This prevents Roblox from using your camera in supported experiences. Keep in mind that some privacy settings may vary depending on your age, account verification status, and parental controls. That's it. You've successfully turned off voice chat on Roblox. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.